Hello my dear students, we are trying our best to provide you the same knowledge as you get in the school. So let's begin with our today's topic, page formatting. I will explain you the contents, read the topics yourself. That is page formatting. So let's start. Page formatting is used to describe the layout of the page. It can also add page border, size, orientation, paragraph and line spacing. By default, your page in a portrait mode. Portrait mode. Follow these steps to change the layout of your page to landscape mode. Landscape mode. Step 1. Click on the page layout text tab. Step 2. Then in the page setups group, click on the orientation options. Step 3. A pop-up menu appears which has two options, portrait and landscape. Step 4. Select landscape from the pop-up menu. So now your document will be formatted as landscape. And the next is find and replace. Find and replace features of MS Word allows you to quickly search for a text in your document. It also provides you with the facility to replace the search text with an alternate text. To find a particular text in a document, for example, is he. In your case, follow these steps below. Step 1. Click on the Home tab. Home tab. Step 2. From the editing group, click the Find button. Find and replace dialog box will appear. Dialog box will appear. Step 3. In the Find What box, enter the text word that you want to find in the document. Step 4. Now press Find Next button. So the first word of he in the document will be highlighted. Keep pressing Find Next button to see all the words of text highlighted. To see all the words of he in the entire document, click on Find In button and select Main Documents. So all the words of he will be highlighted together. He will be highlighted together. यानी जितने भी आपके ही होंगे वो सब आपके क्या हो जाएंगे, हाईलाइटेड हो जाएंगे, जिन्हें हमने फाइंड किया था. Now if you want to replace all he with she, he with she, follow the given step further. Step 5. In the Find and Replace dialog box, click on Replace tab. Step 6. In the Find What box, type the text that you want to search like he. Step 7. In the Replace With box, enter the text that you want to replace with the current word like she. So find what? If you now press find next button, the first word of the text word will be highlighted like he. If you now press replace button, this occurrence of text word will be replace with like she, and the text word of the text word will be highlighted. Keep pressing replace button. Replace here, replace button. To replace text word with desired text word like he with she. To replace all the occurrence of he with she in one go, press replace all button. Replace all. The next button is replace all, and button and alert box will be pop up after completing the replacement. एक आपका बॉक्स आता है कंफर्मेशन का, जिसमें आपसे कंफर्म करता है कि कंफर्मेशन बॉक्स में कि क्या आपने पूरे जितने भी आपने फाइंड के रिप्लेस आपने किए थे वो सब आपके कंफर्म हो चुके हैं. तो अगर आपके कंफर्म हो चुके हैं नंबर ऑफ रिप्लेसमेंट डन, तो इन द डॉक्यूमेंट तो क्लिक ओके टू क्लोज द डायलॉग्स बॉक्स. आपका डायलॉग्स बॉक्स क्लोज. Next is changing page size. Whatever we write on a Word document, ultimately it printed on the paper in the form of report or letter. The writing area of MS Word is called a page. The writing area is called MS Word is called page. And by default paper size is the default paper size is 8.5 into 11 inches, which is the standard size. Is called letter. It's called letter. In the most printers and copier machines, MS Word offer a variety of page size as shown in the adjustment figure. Follow the given step to change the size of the page. The step 1. On the page layout tab, click the size option. Up drop down menu will appear. Step 2. The current page size is highlighted like letter 8.5 into 11 inches. Step 3. Click on the desired predefined page size like A4 8.27 into 11.69 inches. The page size of the document will change like it will be changed to A4. So I hope that you have understood the chapter. If you have any problem regarding this chapter, you can ask me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.